If you break it, then you gotta put a belt on it. If you break it, then you gotta put a belt on it.
All right, y'all. Time to do another project. This one involves changing the belt on the lawnmower when it's broke. So, if you happen to be on your husband's zero turn and you pop the belt, if you can change it, he probably won't be that mad. If it's your lawnmower, then you need to know how to change it. It's a lot of belt, right? But you can change a vacuum cleaner belt. You can probably change a lawnmower belt. The hardest thing is getting to it. This is a John Deere zero track something with a 54-inch deck. I don't know if any of that matters because I don't see no model numbers on this thing. But first thing is to remove this deck part so you can actually get to the circle things, pulleys, that's what they call. So what we're gonna do is move this out the way, and then we can get to all of that stuff under there. Let me get y'all closer. Let's get down where we can all see it. There we go. If you look at the broke belt, it tells you how to put it back. If you don't have the belt on there, the instructions is around here somewhere. But I went to YouTube University and just watched a couple of videos. I'm gonna clean this up and then I'm gonna come back. So in order for me to get this belt on here, I have to remove that bolt in order to get through that piece right there. And unfortunately, I won't be able to get the camera down here, but it takes a 15mm socket to get it out. I also need a wrench because up under there, there's a nut holding that bolt, which you can't see and I won't be able to film. Okay, so we got the belt on here, and it was not without pain. You have to move that pulley. Move that. This pulley has this bolt in it. You got to move that in order to get that belt through there, and that belt goes to the back. Even though I'm explaining this to you, just know that I missed right there where that arrow is pointing, pulling the belt around. So I ended up having to take it all off and do it all over again. Because there's another one way back there. So it comes from the back, around here, around. That sounds crazy for me to be pointing. Let me just show you with this diagram. Here, that's under the black flap. Then it comes back over. That's where it goes to the back. So once you get it on the pulley and just get the bolt set up, then you can go around to the back. Ugh, God, this hurt. And then you can get it around this pulley right here. So from up there, back here, and then back up to the front. And when you tighten up the one in the pulley in the front, that'll tighten everything back up. I just have to screw this stuff or tighten this stuff back down now. It really wasn't that bad though. It wasn't too bad. Now that I've done it once, I know the next time it'll be easier. So I got a wrench up under the pulley holding on to the nut, and now. Remember what I said about it not being too bad? Well, that was a story. If I had done it right, it wouldn't have been too bad. But the fact that I got this on here and had to take everything apart and start all over again because I didn't route the belt right, that made me frustrated and that made it bad. But it was an easy fix. Ugh. And this is where we found that I put the belt on wrong, which meant I had to get instructions and then take it apart and start again. I really would have enjoyed this if I had done it right the first time. Just for reference, here's a diagram of the way that the belt was supposed to be routed. Okay, let's start this baby up again and let's see what happens this time. Don't forget to check the description because I'll link the video that I watched in order to do this so that you'll have an even better and more professional person showing you how to do it. But the point is, sisters, you can do it. Got action. That was some bullshit.
Safety alert. Never operate your mower without the deck back in place. What I just did was not safe, so don't follow that part. Put the deck plate back first, then start it up. I didn't have any screws in my deck plate, so all I have to do is lift out. You may have screws, but take the extra step. Be on the lookout for my next video where I put together a log splitter. And believe it or not, it was easier than this. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and bye-bye for now.